There's a few things that are going to be interesting to see how the guy gets round it. Just here, there's a post that is the end of that section, the beginning of that section, and also, I think, the section that goes straight through, yeah, straight through that way. So he's got to figure out a way of joining them together. I've taken off the light and the electrical fittings that did run along there. Well, you can see it there, it comes up through the ground there and then goes underground to the garage. So I've disconnected that and disconnected it from the power inside the garage. This will be fun. I've emptied this so we can move it if necessary. That's one of my temporary fixes because that's completely rotten through. And then that fence has got to go as well, or be replaced, whichever way you want to look at it. Again, that's completely rotten through. That is a support the house's previous owner put in to support the fence anyway, and that's rotten through. And then down there, this is going to get complicated because up to this point I'm responsible for this fence and I'm having it replaced. So I don't know what he's going to do here to join it, because all this is going and being replaced. Still, he's a professional fencer, so that's his job to sort out. Yeah, all this fence has got to go. You can see it's pretty well rotten through. It's only staying up probably because there's trees either side of it holding it up. In fact, just here when they trimmed the hedge back on the other side, it fell over, so I had to pull it back up again. Yeah. And then when he gets to this end, he's got to sort out a way of joining it to my neighbour's fence. My deeds show I'm responsible for that fence and that fence. That fence is my neighbour's. And it's all supposed to start happening tomorrow. I don't know how long he's expecting to take. We'll find out. Well, unfortunately, our fencing people have upset the neighbour. Not this neighbour, the next one. And they've left sight now. So, I don't know. I'm waiting for the guy to give me a call so we can talk about what they've done and what to do about it. They haven't even started the end fence. I'll just have to wait for a call. Good morning, guys. bright and early this morning, July the 10th. Just doing a quick walk along the fence because the guys are coming today to take it down, or at least remove what was taken down before and take down the rest and replace it. I assume they're going to take it down today and cut down all the undergrowth, and then tomorrow probably put it all back up again. So I thought I'd better come out and film it before it's gone. So just see if we can get the clock on the wall. There we are. So Friday the 10th of June. Did I say July just now? Can't remember. June anyway. All of this should be gone in a few hours' time. Hopefully. Positive thinking. It's a beautiful blue sky for a start. I was expecting it to be raining. Right, that's enough waffle. Well, there's progress. We've had deliveries. In fact, there's a whole load of it out the front. This is just what they've brought through. Got some tools. So the plan is take the old fence down today, cut the hedge back so they've got access, and then tomorrow they'll put the fence up. Right, well, the fence is gone. So hopefully tomorrow the new one will be there by this time. First bit of fence up. Gotta say, they are working hard out there. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels up. They've had pretty hard going because along here they found it's concrete, which wasn't expected. Hopefully there won't be any more concrete once they get down there. Well, looking good. They're down behind the shed now. Looking along behind the shed, I think we have actually lost a little bit of space. But I'm guessing if that saves our neighbour from complaining, I'm going to put up with that. I think we may have lost about 3 inches. Well, that's one of the posts that hadn't actually given way. But it would be only a matter of time before it did. All the others are dropping completely through. I think you can work out where the ground line was anyway. more than a few inches, nearly a foot. If we look at the back of that tree, right, I've probably already done this once. Fence is done. Not 100% happy, but probably 99% happy. Still got the gate to go. And I'm not happy we've lost a bit of space behind the shed there. I think I've already said that. I have to decide what I'm going to do with the power cable. I could run that along the bottom. Let's get to the shed. Still no rush over that. Need to decide what we're going to do with this extra soil. And all that's going to grow back up again. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.